Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW X3 mirror. First, tilt your mirror glass all the way inward to create a small gap on the outer edge. Using a plastic trim removal tool, gently pry the mirror glass away from the housing, starting from the outer edge. You'll feel it release from the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect the two electrical connectors from the back of the mirror glass. Now, you can safely remove the old mirror glass and set it aside. Next, we'll disconnect the mirror housing. Inside the car, gently pry off the small triangular trim panel that covers the mirror's base on the door. This will expose the main electrical connector. Unplug this connector. Then, using a Torx driver, unscrew the 3 bolts that secure the entire mirror housing to the door frame. Once these 3 bolts are removed, you can carefully take the old mirror housing off the vehicle. Now, let's install your new mirror housing. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and tighten the 3 Torx bolts to secure it firmly in place. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect the main electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Finally, snap the interior triangular trim panel back into place over the mirror's base. For the final step, we'll install the new mirror glass. First, connect the 2 electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of your new mirror glass. Carefully align the new mirror glass with the clips on the mirror housing. Gently but firmly press the mirror glass into place until you hear it click securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all mirror functions, including adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.